In front of me is DOOGEE Fire 7, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. When you're ready, click on this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom right corner. And to take a photo within an app, click on those two arrows at the top right corner of camera section. Then adjust your camera and take a pic that will be instantly attached. If you want to add already existing one, scroll down here and click on all of your photos you wanna add. If you can't find them though, click on Folders. Look for your photo and click on it to add it. Then do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!